YouTube Wagwan, man. You know it's your boy Clicked, and you're tuning into Click React. Today I'm gonna be reacting to a video I just saw, man. It's called Instant Regret, and it's just a combo of a lot of moments that people regretted instantly. Obviously, like it sounds, guys. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, man. I really appreciate it. Turn on post notifications if you do. Drop a like and let me know which one of these clips you found the funniest, man. Because the little preview I saw was enough to get me into the video, so that's why I'm here, guys. Appreciate you guys for watching as usual, man. I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Peace. Bout. Oh, shit.
Who's your daddy?
I don't know.
Yo, just imagine your kid says that and you're recording that shit live.
I'm your dad.
Yo, don't kill me.
Pepper. Hades.
Damn, 80s. 80s. That was the name of my dog, by the way. This is her. Bro, who the hell feeds raccoons? Like, do you not have nothing to do?
Oh, damn.
Oh, shit!
There's a video now.
Yo, that shit is so funny. Like, that's like one of those scenarios, like at a party, where somebody's like not doing a damn thing, and then they see the camera come on, and they start dancing. Like, yo, you guys are so funny. Oh, yo, the wind did her dirty.
Well, guys, we thought Billy was gonna be a dad, and those are all black.
Oh my god. I'm just joking. Yo, bro, you guys know that dogs' genes are like that. It's just a joke.
We haven't let him see yet.
Yo, don't. Oh, shit. No, I don't think that's a gene. Never mind. But no, that other dog is a Labrador, so I think. Yo, that is so funny.
This may get kind of crazy.
Yo, that was actually hilarious. Now here's some stupid shit. Good job. Good job.
Oh, is this one of those sibling videos? Oh my god, bro, these are always so crazy. Look at them. They're scared to touch each other. Imagine if they started making out, though.
No? Why the fuck would we want to imagine that, you weirdo?
How weird would that be?
Yo, that scream.
And I washed mine for my smoothie. And
Okay. Who the fuck chokes like that? Like, obviously you don't have a way. You don't have a choice on how you look when you choke, but what is that? Oh, poor guy.
Paper, scissors, rock. What's that?
That's not right. That's not right. That's not right. Oh, shit. What a good time to pause that shit. That shocked the hell out of me. What do you do in this moment now? It's done. What's done is done, I guess. Oh, he did that on purpose. What a bitch. Window. Them glass doors are so clean, man. That's so embarrassing.
This is before drinks. Oh shit! Now I orange drink. Oh.
Yo, I'm dead.
Oh yeah.
I've never seen a glass door slide open at the front of a house before. That's kind of strange.
Calming my mind there.
Oh, it's opening. What the fuck is going on with that dog? Nah, nigga, that's a person. Oh, it's a filter. They almost got me there.
I'm on a plane and saw this guy walk into the bathroom. He was acting be sus.
Okay.
Then this girl followed him like for minutes later. Literally, why am I so alone? LMAO also caught in 4K.
Okay.
Name 3 things that make you laugh.
Alright, mind your business, no?
Money, chocolate, and
Make you laugh. Okay. Oh, shit. This guy was high. That's all. It happens. Bro. Yo. The man is looking for it and it's on it. Whoa, these horses are wild. That is so funny. How heavy was that bag? And why did she think that was a good idea?
Where's your phone?
What? What a silly person. Oh shit. Like, nigga, do your job while you're out here giving people thumbs up. Oh shit.
So there's actually a reason why you think the left side of your face looks better than the right.
Okay. Uh,
Go on.
what happened? That one was confusing. How the fuck? Why would he do that to the man?
Huh? Huh? Huh?
Oh! The poor man was just sitting there minding his business and the man got boxed. That's crazy. Oh, them Amazon workers. I'm confused.
Was that real? Was that
Huh?
real? How was that real?
That's how she got
So,
scared.
as if my anxiety
Ew.
wasn't bad enough. This is how my kitten sleeps.
Ew.
So every single day, I get to have a heart attack, thinking that, oh god,
That
no,
thing is
he's
dead.
actually dead this time.
I'm dead.
But
Let's check the pulse.
he's actually just asleep.
I'd like to be that. I'm oblivious. What is wrong with this man? This guy's stupid. Why does this guy look so casual on the tug of war? Oh, he didn't expect to do no work? He about to get fucked up. Yeah, you see niggas getting low, getting their knees and back into it, and that's what you're doing? Oh, it's a magic trick. Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Yeah, but when are we gonna see
That is so funny.
insanely hot men with average-looking women?
Yeah?
I get bored and give you a chance, baby. Oh, if you love me, let me go.
Oh, these people are too funny. Yeah. So, the cat's about to slap the shit. Oh, ow! Oh, you're playing around with that demon. What? This is how I think that everything on TV is scripted. Anything on the internet is scripted. This girl was crying and then cried again.
I've never been to a concert before. Don't mind the shit on my shirt. It's my brother's shirt.
Okay. Okay. Oh, put two and two together. If that's your brother's shirt, what's on the shirt? Your brother's disgusting.
Shit. Shit, my bad.
What is going on here? Ew! No. No. Let me tell you something, man. Not for no video, not for no money, no. We're squaring up right after that. That is gross. I don't even want to replay that.
$1,200? Why does he look so familiar? Yo, not bad, eh? Okay, let's prank my boyfriend now. I have a gift for you.
Oh, what's
Mm.
Valentine's Day?
Yeah.
It's things you put on clothes?
No, it's a bracelet and it's $1,200.
There's no way you would spend $1,200
No way.
on some hairpins.
It's not hairpins.
Where'd you buy it?
Online.
Oh, he's shocked.
Oh, you can't return.
Yo, I'm dead. I would return that shit too. That shit is trash. Like,
I'm gonna be showcasing my custom.
it's like Balenciaga selling trash bags now. Like, come on, man.
Slave one I made.
That hurts. Who the fuck stands like that?
Step 1, grab both hands. Step 2, flip like that.
Oh, she seems like she's better than the guy. Okay, that's evil. No. That's not how anybody snores. No. That nigga is being possessed. 100% that guy's being possessed. Exorcism is needed. We need it now. Stat. That's not how anybody snores, bro. He don't get out much. He doesn't watch movies. He doesn't know. If my roommate's snoring like that, I'm out. Let's be real.
It's time my girl is cooking for me.
How's it coming along?
Mm-hmm.
She started at 6 o'clock.
Oh, she's still trying to figure it out. Oh, that's okay.
Maybe try.
I hope she's not cooking chicken.
I probably have.
Yeah.
Oh, well, looks like my friend over here died of starvation waiting for the food.
Oh, shit. This guy's disrespectful. He shouldn't have done that. That's so mean. That is so mean.
Looks like we're having frozen pizza.
Yo. This is my biggest fear with kids, bro. The fact that she's even recording this shit. Like, I would not be able to take out my phone if my kid's doing some crazy shit like this. And then they encourage the kids because they're like, oh, she's being so funny. That's not funny.
Alright, cool. Why did the chicken cross the road?
Why?
To go on the other side.
Like, what? What? Boop! Ow! I seen it coming.